An angle grinder, aka grinding machine side grinder disc grinder, is a common tool that widely used in workshops, auto repair shops and construction sites. Used for grinding metal, polishing, cutting rebar tile, grinding out mortar, polishing, sharpening and sanding. It is designed to deliver excellent performance along with ensuring safety while operating. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best angle grinders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Angle Grinder. DeWalt is one of the most popular brands out there that makes all kinds of power tools. We are here with a highly powerful angle grinder option from DeWalt. The DeWalt DWE402 angle grinder is in the first position in this article, as it is the most powerful options in this article. You get a 4.5-inch blade in this angle grinder that is powered by a highly powerful 11-amp motor. Due to this, its blade spins at 11,000 RPM that can easily cut through most materials. It even comes with a 3-year warranty, since it offers a highly reliable and durable build quality. You can also find a useful paddle switch in this angle grinder. Number 2. Makita Angle Grinder. Makita is a premium brand of power tools with various options. And as you would expect, it even offers a great angle grinder option. This angle grinder from Makita is in the second position in this article as it offers a great build quality. You also get a 7.5 amp power motor in this angle grinder that is quite powerful when compared with other options out there. While it only has a 1-year warranty, it offers a highly reliable motor that can last for a long time while cutting using its 4.5-inch blade. Another great thing about this angle grinder is that you get various accessories with it. Number 3. Bosch Inch Angle Grinder. Bosch makes all kinds of home and industrial appliances, as well as power tools. You can also find an angle grinder from Bosch, including the one present in this article. Bosch's 1375A angle grinder is present in the third position in this article, as it can be a great option if you are on a budget. While it has a comparatively affordable price tag, you get a 4.5-inch blade, along with a 6-amp motor in this angle grinder. You also get a 1-year warranty with it that is great to have. Its cutting wheel spins at 11,000 RPM, which is quite great considering its small motor. This angle grinder also has a decent build quality as you can expect from any Bosch product. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Angle Grinder. Black Decker is another highly popular brand that makes all kinds of power tools. And the Black Decker angle grinder present in this article THS angle grinder from Black Decker is the cheapest option present in this article. Even then, it can offer a decently powerful 6.5 amp motor for its 4.5-inch blade. And despite its affordable price tag, it comes with a 2-year warranty. The great thing about this angle grinder is that it offers an excellent build quality. And you also get various free accessories with this budget angle grinder. All of these things make it a great value for money option if you are looking for angle grinders. Number 5. Milwaukee Cordless Grinder. Milwaukee is known for making highly reliable and premium power tools. This is also true for the angle grinder present in this article. One of the best things about this angle grinder is that it comes with a 5-year warranty. You can also expect highly durable metals and plastics used for the construction of this angle grinder. It comes with a 7-amp motor for the 4.5-inch blade of this angle grinder. This blade can spin at 9,000 RPM that is quite decent for most users. It uses 18-volt batteries to power this motor that makes it a cordless angle grinder. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.